25th question is, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Now here we need to calculate equation of the tangent. The slope is also not given and the point is not given. But it is said that the tangent is parallel to the line. Now as the tangent is parallel to the given line, the slope of tangent and the line will be equal. So calculating the slope of tangent by differentiating the equation of the curve, we'll get it as dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root 3x minus 2. Again, using the chain rule, we have to calculate the derivative of 3x minus 2 also. So first is the derivative of the power, that is root, and then the derivative of inside function, that is 3x minus 2. Now the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Hence the derivative of root 3x minus 2 will make it 1 upon 2 root of 3x minus 2. Derivative of the bracket is 3. So the slope of tangent dy by dx becomes 1 upon, or we can say 3 upon 2 root of 3x minus 2. Now this becomes the slope of tangent. Now the slope of line is, using the formula minus a by b, becomes minus 4 by minus 2, and the slope of line comes out to be 2. Now as tangent is parallel to the line, slope of tangent will be equal to slope of line. So equating both the slopes, we get it as 3 upon 2 under root 3x minus 2 equal to 2. Then after shifting everything on the other side, we get it as 3 equal to 4 root 3x minus 2, going for the cross multiplication, we get it in this way. Now as root is to be removed, we need to square both the side. So it becomes 9 equal to 16, 3x minus 2, opening the bracket, calculating the value of x, we get 41 upon 48. Now to calculate y, the value of x is to be substituted in the equation of curve, that is y equal to root of 3x minus 2. Substituting the value 41 by 48, 3 and 48 gets cancelled to 16 and minus 2 is there. Taking up the LCM, calculating it, we got y as root of 9 by 16 and the root becomes 3 by 4. Now taking it up, the values of x in the slope of the tangent is 2 because it is parallel to the line. Hence whatever is the slope of line, same will be the slope of tangent. Now points are known, slope is known. Keeping the values in the point slope form, that is for the equation of tangent, we get it as y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. Value of x0 is 41 by 48, y0 is 3 by 4, slope is 2. So going for the LCM, we get 4y minus 3 by 4 is equal to 2. Again taking the LCM, 48x minus 41 upon 48, cancellation. Going for the cancellations, both the sides, we get 4y minus 3 is equal to 48x minus 41 upon 6. Taking the other side 6 with the help of cross multiplication, the equation gets converted into 24y minus 18 is equal to 48x minus 41. Shifting LHS to RHS, the equation becomes 48x minus 24y is equal to 41 minus 18, and the final equation of tangent is 48x minus 24y is equal to 23. So this is how the equation of tangent is being calculated. 26th one, it is MCQ. The question given is the slope of the normal to the curve y equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at x equal to 0 is. Now here we need to calculate slope of normal. So first of all, when we differentiate y with respect to x, we always get the slope of tangent. So calculating the slope of tangent first, dy by dx is differentiation of x square is 2x, that makes it 4x plus 3. Sin x derivative is cos x. So dy by dx we got it as 4x plus 3 cos x. Now at the point x equal to 0, substituting x as 0, we get slope as dy by dx is equal to 4 into 0 plus 3 cos 0. The value of cos 0 is 1. So we get dy by dx is equal to 3. Now the slope of normal is minus 1 upon dy by dx. So we get it as minus 1 by 3. So D is the option. 27th one is the line y equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square equal to 4x at the point. Now we need to calculate here the point where y equal to x plus 1 becomes a tangent. Now to calculate the point means we have to calculate the common point of the tangent and the curve. So for that, taking up the equation of the curve and in the curve equation putting the equation of tangent. That means y equal to x plus 1, we substitute it in the curve in place of y, so it becomes x plus 1 whole square equal to 4x. So we are combining both these equations. So solving x plus 1 whole square, we get x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 4x. Shifting 4x the other side, it becomes x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It becomes a perfect square formula. So it is x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Therefore x will be equal to 1. And putting the value of x in the equation of tangent, we get y equal to 1 plus 1 and finally y equal to 2. So the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2. So option A is the correct option.